Did you know that your snoring can lead to serious health risks like stroke and heart attack? According to the Cleveland Clinic, snoring can lead to serious health issues. Heightened blood pressure can be an early warning sign that your snoring may be causing serious health problems. Other anti-snoring solutions don't target the root cause, your soft tissue falling back into your throat. Z-Quiet is an anti-snoring mouthpiece that provides immediate relief by pushing your jaw forward gently. And the best part is it's ready to use straight out of the box. You simply put it in right before bed and you're ready for your first night of sleep snore-free. Ever since I've tried Z-Quiet, I don't snore anymore. I'm super restful and alert during the day, and best part, my blood pressure is back to a normal and healthy range. Your snoring may be seriously affecting your health. You need to try Z-Quiet.